Hey, I hope the wind doesn't pick up too much noise on this. I want to make a quick video putting your oil seal back into your distributor. And so a couple of notes is you want this part that's got all the grooves in it to face down, so it should face up so you can read the lettering and stuff. And it just goes in there. My game plan is I checked it out with a 15mm socket, and it seems to fit on there really well. I'm using just a deep well extension. I'm going to try to push that in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with some heavy silicone spray, lube that up in there, put this on there, and try to press it in flat, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, that seemed to work really well. I would do this with all the stuff taken out of there. I started putting the distributor back together because I was waiting for that seal and I got kind of bored. Ideally, you'd do it with all the parts taken out, and you just take all the screws off and keep disassembling it. There's lots of videos on YouTube show you how to do that. Anyway, so that's how I pushed in the seal. I think what I'm going to do I'm going to put some, just get some oil, put it on a Q-tip, and just swab the inside of the seal, put a light coat of oil on there. That'll help when the shaft goes through there so it won't be a pure dry. You don't want it to be dry on the shaft. I mean, I'll probably even put a little thing of oil on here. We'll see how that feels there. You're going to notice if you do it this way, all the magnets are going to be fighting anything metal you put on there. So just beware of that. That's why it's better to do it without those parts in there.